Dear students, welcome to Healthcare Engineering YouTube channel. We are sharing many innovative project ideas for the biomedical engineering students in this video series. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned with us to get more and more project concepts. If you find some interesting project ideas and want to do that as your project, our engineering team is ready to support to your entire project. Please contact us for further details to this given mail ID below. We are very active in these social media platforms. Please join with us to keep in touch with us and to get all our amazing updates instantly. All the links are given in the description below. We are releasing this kind of project idea video every Friday. So stay tuned with us. Today's topic is Smart System for Telehealth. Because of the chronic conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary failure, congenital heart failure, ischemic heart disease, a large number of patients die every year. Heart failure, sometimes known as congenital heart failure. It occurs when your heart muscles doesn't pump blood as well as it should. Certain conditions such as narrowed arteries in your heart or high blood pressure gradually leave your heart too weak or stiff to fill and pump efficiently. Myocardial ischemia is occur when blood flow to your heart is reduced, preventing the heart muscles from receiving enough oxygen. The reduced blood flow is usually the result of a partial or complete blockage of your heart's arteries. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is a chronic inflammatory lung disease that causes obstructed airflow from the lungs. Symptoms include breathing difficulties, cough, mucus production, and wheezing. It is typically caused by long-term exposure to irritating gases or particulate matter. An architecture for a smart sensing system that can be used by home care staff, nurses, and physicians to identify the patients who need an immediate or urgent attention. The system is focused primarily towards homebound patients who have limited mobility and reduced ability to call for help when needed. The system will be helpful in chronic medical conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary failure, congenital heart failure, and ischemic heart disease. The smart sensors can monitor patient information like heart rate, oxygen saturation, and electrocardiogram data. Moreover, the symptoms diary is maintained through a personal digital assistant. The data from the sensor network and PDA are automatically uploaded to a remote server. The server records the patient information and extracts the non-trivial information from the patient's history, symptoms diaries, and management strategies. The system autonomously generates alerts to provide timely patient care for patients in chronic medical conditions. So, if you feel this video is informative, please give us a like and kindly share it with your friends who may also get some useful ideas. Also leave us some comments about your opinions on these videos. Thank you.